Oh man, it's freezing cold here, man. Freezing cold, man. It's too cold. First time actually since snow this thick. We don't get that in Houston, man. We were supposed to leave yesterday, but since the heavy snow and stuff got us, so we had to stay and book another hotel for the extra day. But today, supposed to leave at 3:25, so hopefully things go right today when we head out.
Tell Ed I said hi. Yeah, take me your train to. It was supposed to go out at 12:30, and then it was delayed to 12:50, and who knows if it's going to delay more.
With all this snow that's going on and all this out here, I've been in the airport for 3 days, snowed in. No kind of accommodations. Weather conditions have been horrible. I couldn't catch a bus because buses were denied. I couldn't catch AirTram because AirTram shut down in New Jersey. I couldn't catch a plane because all planes have been canceled until today. This is the worst thing I've ever been involved in.